Hello guys, do you have a Facebook account? Are you sure you are using minimum security on Facebook account? Today we are going to learn how to enable minimum security on Facebook account. Let's start the video without any bluffing. If you are using Facebook account, you know how to log in. So simply log into your account. Then go to settings. Click on security and login. Then use two-factor authentication. If you click the two-factor authentication, you will receive three options. These are the options. First one is authentication app, text message or security key. So I prefer text message method. Therefore, I click on text message method. When you click text message method, you will receive this screen. Simple. Press add phone number and press continue. Select your country code. Then simply enter your mobile phone number and press continue. Then you will receive a message to your mobile phone. Enter your code, what you have received to your mobile number, then press continue. Press done. If you want this number used to help you make connections and see ads that are more relevant, press use number. If not, press not now. Congratulations! Now you have enabled minimum security on Facebook account. If you won't enable this, your account can be easily taken over by someone else. If you wish to watch more videos, like, share and don't forget to subscribe.